Aslan,
Mhm.
how are you? Welcome to the
Eh,
channel.
Hello, Rahit. I'm doing good today. How about you?
I am also good. And it's like a
Okay.
wonderful pleasure having you on the chat. What did you do? Did you do something exciting today? It was Sunday, so
Today I take a rest because for tomorrow we go to work, but we take
absolutely.
a rest today.
Great, great, wonderful. So you
Yes.
were taking rest today, and now you feel
Yes.
refreshed for the next day,
Mm-hmm.
next week, right?
Yes.
All right.
Yes. Yes.
So Aslan,
Mm.
could you please introduce yourself as we are meeting for the first time? Yes.
I'm Alassane Soumaoro. I'm from Mali. I'm a master. I have a master in economic quantitative and I will try to improve my English speaking.
Very good. Nice aim. And I wish that in 2026, you
Hmm.
improve your language skills, speaking skills.
Yes,
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 very
I
good.
try to improve my English skills.
Yes, yes. So, briefing
Hmm.
about me, Alasan, this is Rohit, and I belong to
Hmm.
India. And I've
Yes.
been into English speaking from like quite a long time now. All right.
Hmm.
And besides this, I am an academic coordinator in an international school. Alongside, I
Hmm.
teach students from various countries, like
Hmm.
yeah, from United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Australia, Canada, UK.
Hmm.
Yeah, I teach
Yeah.
them multiple subjects, and
Hmm.
public speaking is also one of those. All right.
Hmm.
So pleasure having you
Okay.
once again. And
Okay.
yeah. Yes. So,
Okay.
Alison, I
Hmm.
hope I am pronouncing your name correctly. And
Yes, it's
Alison, right?
Alasan.
Alison.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes, it's
So, yeah. Alison, can you just brief me about your family as well and your hobbies?
and hobbies. My family, we have a we have 10 in our family. Father, mother with free browser and uh, four six four sister and we have all study at a university level and
Okay.
yes and in our country it's not easy to get a job easily and we try to do what we can to live.
Okay, that's good. All right, pretty well.
Yeah. Mhm.
Right. So,
Okay.
Alison, what do you like to do in your free time?
Um, I would like to improve my English speaking in face and sometime to playing in video games.
Okay, very good. Which
Yes,
video games you like still to play?
video games. FIFA on PlayStation and uh, football games, especially, and sometime GTA 5 or 6.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Great,
Yes.
great to know about these habits. And you said
Yeah.
that you like to like read and you like to improve your speaking skills. You work on your
Mm-hmm.
English language learning journey, right? So,
Mm-hmm.
what do you do normally to improve that? Which aspect do you think of English is to be improved more? Reading, listening, speaking, or writing?
I do a little of all of what you speak. I
Very good.
try sometime to read a book, sometime to listening a good speaker,
Absolutely. Good.
and sometime I'm practicing shadowing.
Shadowing it. Wow, that's good. That's an amazing,
Yes,
yeah, amazing
yes,
way.
and
Yes.
okay, yeah, and sometime I use in different application to improve my pronunciation.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. But yes,
Mm.
you are working, and I can actually feel because you are speaking very well. Your sentences
Mm-hmm.
are structured, and
Mm-hmm.
that seems that you're working hard on your language journey.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So keep it up in 2026, and
Mm-hmm.
yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Any aim you have like in mind that by the end of this year, because the year
Mm,
has just rolled on. So have you thought of anything about English specifically that you will be achieving that level, or anything you think that you want advancement in your career? That's why
mhm,
English is important. Any reason
mm,
behind or what is pushing you towards the language learning?
mhm. I think English is so important for career improving
Yes,
because all of different books and uh, mm, working working books uh, and NGO information is in English. Then
absolutely.
if you can speak a good English or understand easily English, you will achieve your goals easily, and you can give a better job for the next or for tomorrow,
Yes, correct.
in my opinion.
Yeah. And your opinion is actually good that if you want
Hmm.
career advancement or if you want to approach global clients and deal with them,
Yes.
definitely
Yes.
English is very important and it should not be the barrier, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, in terms
Hmm.
of career and career growth. That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Well said. Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah. Do you
Yeah.
have any questions? Do you want to ask something?
Uh, uh, mm,
Because
yes.
I'm only asking, so I thought to ask you as well. Please
Mm-hmm.
be free and ask me if you want to ask something.
Uh, okay. What do you do this to help someone to improve speaking, or to help someone to learn English? How is
Yeah,
your goals with this?
exactly. Thank you so much for asking. And that's
Mm-hmm.
very good question to answer. I would
Mm-hmm.
suggest if somebody is very much beginner or like just
Mm-hmm.
starting to learn the language, they should
Mm-hmm.
focus on listening the language in whatever
Mm-hmm.
way they want. Like if they want to listen to the music.
Mm-hmm.
So if they want to practice English and if they are beginner and they want to
Mm-hmm.
understand that, because first of all, they should understand, right, what they want.
Mm-hmm.
If they want to learn this, then they can start with listening to what they actually like to do that. Like if they're interested in music, so they can
Mm-hmm.
listen to the English songs, right? If they are very much
Mm-hmm.
interested in news, then they can listen to the news in English, right? The podcast in
Mm-hmm.
English, so that their understanding of English and articulation of sentences would be improved. Number one.
Mm-hmm.
Number two, they
Yes.
can
Mm-hmm.
start reading and in the way
Mm-hmm.
that they are translating in their head in their local language, like whatever
Mm-hmm.
language they know. Okay. So they should
Yes.
be
Yes.
able to read and comprehend at the same time. They should
Mm-hmm.
start base with the basic, like they don't have to do whole book at a time, but at least
Mm-hmm.
one paragraph or one news article at a time. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And if they figure
Yeah.
out some of the words which are, they know the meaning, right? Because sometimes when you read the sentence and you come across some difficult words, then you can
Mm-hmm.
understand what it means, but exactly you don't know the meaning sometimes. So that part
Yes.
they can work on to improve the vocabulary as well, right?
Mm-hmm.
And and if you ask the majority of the part where English is important for them is just to speak,
Mm-hmm.
right? So they
Mm-hmm.
should find somebody to speak with them. And if they don't have any speaking partner, then they can look
Mm-hmm.
at anywhere, like just in their house also. They can just
Mm-hmm.
do like this, and they can set a frame. Like right now,
Mm-hmm.
whatever is like, can you do this? I think you're
Yes.
holding mobile phone, right? Okay, so if they make a frame like this and see
Mm-hmm.
whatever is around them and start describing that particular thing, right? So
Mm-hmm.
I think
Mm-hmm.
whatever they come across, they should know how do they speak that thing in English and they can start making
Mm-hmm.
sentences, right? For
Yes.
example,
Yes.
in this picture, I'm able to see like that. They can start making
Mm-hmm.
basic sentences and slowly,
Yeah.
slowly, they can start advancing the sentence structures and make it a detailed
Uh,
paragraph. right? This
Yes.
is how I
Yes.
think they can plan themselves, and they should not leave any skill. Listening also is important, speaking is important,
Yeah.
reading is important, writing
Mhm.
is important. So all the
Yes.
aspects of learning English is important if somebody is
Yes.
interested. And I'm not saying
Uh,
that grammar is not important. Most of the people, they
no.
might say that grammar is not important. However, if
Mhm.
you know the sentence structure properly, then you
Mhm.
can do. Otherwise, if you're speaking and speaking all the time and you don't realize that what you're speaking is correct because your sentence
Mhm.
structure was not correct. If it is a problem, then you need to fix that, right? Speaking,
Yes. Yes.
if,
Correct.
yeah, in our native language also, we don't mind
Mhm.
remembering the grammar, right? Grammar rules. But then we
Mhm.
speak correctly because we have been practicing in the same environment throughout, right?
Yes.
So this is my
Yes.
opinion about English learning.
Mm,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah. I agree with you. Your opinion
Mhm.
is correct. I think
Yeah,
uh, it depends on what a person needs, but
exactly.
English is so important. And you say that the the sentence structure is important, like speaking, reading,
Absolutely.
writing. Yes, I agree with you.
Yeah, thank you so much. So, like, if
Yes.
they know the sentence structure, it is comparatively easy and they feel more confident. Yes, whatever I am speaking is correct, right? If whatever they speak is correct. Because otherwise, they'll
Mm-hmm.
keep on speaking, and if nobody is there to correct them or give the feedback upon, then it will be problem
Mm-hmm.
for them only, right? I see most of
All
the
right.
people, they are very confident at speaking, but what they are
Mm-hmm.
speaking, they should
Mm-hmm.
like think about and ask for the people also, like they should ask people about the feedback, right? Otherwise they
Yes.
should know what they are speaking. There are many applications where they can just put their audio and understand where they are making mistake, right?
Mm-hmm.
That part is also
Yes.
important. Practicing is
Mm-hmm.
good. I appreciate if they are speaking, that's great. But if
Mm-hmm.
they are speaking wrong, then sometime
Mm-hmm.
after some time they should fix that also. That should be
Yeah.
the approach, right? Yeah,
Yes.
because no
Right.
one is perfect, so it's okay
Mm-hmm.
to make mistakes, but learning from the
Yes.
mistakes is more important,
Yes.
right?
Learning from mistakes.
Yes. Yeah, it's like a pleasure, amazing pleasure, I would say, having you, Alison. And
Yes.
literally, I have no words. The conversation had been so amazing with you. Thank you so
Yes.
much for joining.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you for your understanding and your explanation. I understand, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and have a great day ahead.
Thank you.
All right.
Have a
Thank
good
you.
day too.